Hello, this is Emil, and in this video, I will explain to you how you can easily send a signature request to your signers using WhatsApp. Let's begin by uploading a document from your local device and select the required document. Once the document is fully loaded, click on Next to start adding your participants' information. So in this step, start adding the signer's name, let's say for example, Emil, and for the sending method, click on the down arrow to see the drop down, which will show you the sending methods that are available. Click on WhatsApp and then enter the number of the signer. And then click on Next and complete all of the steps by placing the fields that you need the signer to fill in, as well as review and send the document. Now the document is successfully sent to your signer's WhatsApp. As you can see here, the signature request is received through WhatsApp. Now we have the message right here, and we can simply click on View Document to begin and complete the document by filling all of the information and the required fields. We're going to click on Agree and Continue right here, and then click on Start Signing. Then we're going to add our signature and click on Finish and Send.